Hi guys, so as you can see, I got my order in naturebox. This is not sponsored by any way, but yeah, came 2 days early, so I'm going to open it for you guys, if I can find which way it opens. Oh, I have to, hold up. Snizzers! Okay, 1 minute. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. So, there we go. It's open. There we go. Okay. So, let's open and see. I got, I think, 1 or 2 surprise items. Ooh. This is what I ordered. But yeah. Trying to find. Huh. This must be the surprise one I got. PB&J granola. Huh. With dried fruit. Oh. Hold up, see if the dried fruit stuff I can have.